Wait, oh, the engine's not even cold. Fuck it.
not.
Yeah, it's warm as shit. This feels scarier. Fuck me, dude, what the? This is how you drive when we're not around?
I've been hiding it.
You've just been like fucking sending it into the fucking corner like
I'm
that?
not sending it. I ease my way into the corners.
That's what you always say. Like, fucking... Holy shit, you have so much faith in the car.
Why?
Like,
I told you that's why I found the like the suspension not to my liking, dude.
because you're like
driving like a
you're like fucking going at 140 into a corner, like, bro.
Let me go down.
It's rubbing.
Actually, let me go down. Can I go a long way?
Yeah, sure, whatever you want to do.
I'm seeing stuff.
Actually, wait. Okay, never mind.
Do you need to be home quick?
I do kind of need a rush, but whatever.
Okay, it'll be quick.
Like, yeah. Whatever. For content, I guess. How did you not manage to squeeze it there? The fuck?
What?
That fucking slip. Yeah.
What's that?
Either an animal or a piece of
thought it was
trash.
an animal.
I have no idea.
Kind of fucked up.
Yeah, kind of fucked up. Oh yeah, I forgot about chain of thought, but like I was really like semi annoyed when like we were at Bira and this like dude in the white M3 like E92 M3 was like don't blame the tires, and I was like, bruh.
Wait, why?
No, like as in like I was like, yo, my tires are shit or whatever. He was like, don't blame the driver, blame the. That's a don't blame the tires, blame the driver.
Oh, what?
And I'm like
That's
he said it nicely, but then like, you know, like within an hour you're like, that asshole. Because initially it sounds nice, and then after a while you're like, fuck you and your fucking E92 M3 with DCT and fucking do like fucking traction control, bitch. I'm out here like in a fucking 34-year-old chassis with like bucket loads of rust, sending it into a wall.
What happened there, dude?
Dude, it was slipping.
What was?
The car.
Tires, right?
Yeah, it's slipping still.
Yeah, yo, it's like really floaty.
I'm surprised you managed to not get it to slide.
So next to the what?
Like, I've actually like caused it before to like skid.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it's weird because I see you braking harder and it's not skidding.
I feel like I brake a bit first and then I brake the full way. Then.
Oh no, I was actually testing it. I was like, can this thing break loose? And so I like stomped the pedal and it was like, and I'm like, oh.
This is a really good driving, like learning car. I think it's taught me a lot. Like, I've never done heel toe before.
This thing is impossible.
It is. It's possible.
What the
But it's gonna blip it. Like it's just a quick blip because like this.
No, heel and toe. Like while you're braking, and then like it's really hard to get it to like.
I don't think I'm getting the revs up the right bit, but like I'm familiarizing myself with the action.
No, like I can't quite like put my foot on the brake and like flip the clutch.
I think it's
At the
because
same
the
time.
shoes you wear.
Even barefoot, I can't do it.
Oh,
Yeah,
it is your feet. They're too big.
no, like I'm able to do it with the E30, but not with, because the E30 is not that responsive with the brakes. You really gotta jam it in there. So like I'm able to just like kind of like rest my whole foot onto the brake, and then like blip. Whereas with this one, if I even try to even like press it a bit, it just locks up or like actually slows down to a standstill. Like the brakes are very strong on this thing, very responsive.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a really light car. I don't think the brakes are any good.
No, the brakes are really, really like sensitive.
Really?
Yeah, like I can't quite like step on it and like blip the clutch. Because if I try to do that, I'll just be on a standstill and be like, oop, like okay, in neutral, like yeah, sure. Like I'd probably stall it before I.
The tires are a bit slippery. I think the roads are kind of slippery.
Shit, man, you were really climbing onto him.
See? That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh, that's not nice.
That sound?
Yeah.
Ooh, smells kind of.
Burnt. Yeah.